everyone, we are welcoming you once again on our travel channel Cities Travelers. We have now reached Neil Island on our Port Blair tour. Neil Island is 3 kilometers from Jetty. This teeny island, known for its magnificent biodiversity, corals and white sandy beaches, Neil Island is perfect for a peaceful time off. In Neil Island, we decided to stay at Pearl Park Beach Resort. We are really curious to explore this beautiful beach resort. So, let's check it out. A total of 50 variety accommodations is available in the resort. The resort is equipped with modern amenities. The huts and cottages are constructed to give the visitor a feel of being in woods and with the woods. One of the interesting things about this resort is that all rooms have their own private balcony. So, let's check out how cottages look like from inside. These beautifully designed rooms will surely end your all-day tiredness. Rooms are spacious, clean, well maintained and equipped with all modern amenities one can need. With all these facilities, this guarantees perfect stay for you and your loved ones. So now let's check view from balcony. Pool view is good, and with a view like that, who isn't ready to jump in? With the greenery all around and the sound of birds, one will surely fall in love with nature. There is walkable distance from resort to Lakshmanpur Beach. Lakshmanpur Beach is just 2 minutes walking distance from resort. This makes this resort even more preferable choice for travelers, as they can come to beach at any time of the day and enjoy this picturesque view of sea. On the beach side itself, there are many small shops where you can buy fancy pearl necklaces, bangles, keys, rings, fridge magnets and other stuffs. Surely a preferable place for women. Haven't we all wondered what heaven is like? This is what walking through one feels like. It feels like we are walking towards heaven. The sunset with cool sea breeze can be felt sitting here. This location of the resort is visited by all the tourists as it's the best spot to witness the sunset. One can spend hours sitting and enjoying this beautiful view. This resort has its own swimming pool, which would complete a perfect holiday location. So, if you are visiting Neil Island, Cities travelers would highly recommend you to stay at Pearl Park Beach Resort. Hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to our channel Cities Travelers for more interesting travel videos. Thank you.